Hey there everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So to do this you just need to open up your Instagram and be on your profile. Just if you're on the main page, just go on your profile and where it says posts, followers and following, you want to click on that right here. So click on following. And here all of your followers will be displayed, and as you can see you have a little following badge right next to them. There isn't any way to mark them up by clicking the menu or even by holding them on them to select them. There just isn't any way to mark them all at the same time, but you can remove them all at the same time just by turbo pressing the following button right here. It's not that hard and it can be done relatively quick. As you can see, you just need to have a bit time on your hands and you can do it all at once by just opening this page and unfollowing everyone. Just be careful that you don't misclick. But even if you misclick, that won't be a big problem because when you go back, it still saves where you left off. It doesn't reset the list. It doesn't take you back or take you forwards. Like so, as you can see, I have fat fingers. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, do like and subscribe and see you next time.